Today, we'll be checking out the 2017 MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. I've already opened the box and already took the plastic off and looked at the laptop and messed around with it because I just had to do it. But I'm still going to show you what comes in the box and its specs. So this 2017 MacBook Pro with Touch Bar has a 3.5 gigahertz processor with 16 gigabytes of RAM and a terabyte of hard drive storage, and it has a Retina display, 4 USB-C jacks, so if you want to run something with the old USB or other Thunderbolt or HDMI, you'll have to get a dongle. Actually, I would recommend picking up one of these. These are super helpful. I picked up one of these right after I got the laptop, and I've been using it for a while. And if you want to stack your laptop out, you can go to their website and click on, what color you want, what size you want, and you can go down the line and pick out what kind of processor and all that stuff you want. Let's see what's inside the box. So this is everything that comes in the box. You got your 2017 MacBook Pro with Touch Bar, a USB-C cable, which there's no longer a charging extension like they used to have in the older MacBook Pro, so keep that in mind. And then you have the charger adapter. And then you have the box, which you can keep or get rid of. It's kind of up to you. I love Apple computers, especially for what I use them for, like music recording, music editing, video recording, and video editing. So Apple, nice job, well done, love your products.